In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently close Zoho Books account. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Closing your account is permanent. Once it's done, you'll lose access to your books organization, your transactions, and your reports. If you think you might need records later, it's a good idea to export key reports and statements first. Also, make sure you're signed in with the right owner or admin login for the organization you intend to close. Start by opening your web browser and going to books.zoho.com. Sign in to the Zoho account that owns the books organization you want to close. When the dashboard loads, look to the top right corner of the page for the profile icon. It usually appears as a small avatar or your initials. Click that profile icon to open the account menu. From the menu, click My Account. This takes you out of the Books module and into your Zoho account area where global settings are managed. Don't worry, you're still in the right place. Closing the Books account is controlled from your Zoho account settings. Once you're in the account area, click Settings. This section groups together important options for security, privacy, and account lifecycle actions. You may see multiple tabs or panels. Just stay within Settings so you can find what you need without bouncing around. Now, scroll down and click Close Account. Take a moment to read everything on the screen carefully. You'll typically see warnings about what happens to your data and access. Depending on your configuration, you may be asked to confirm your choice, provide a reason, or enter your password to verify it's really you. Follow the on-screen prompts until you see confirmation that the account closure has been initiated. A couple of helpful reminders as you complete this. Double-check the organization name shown in the header or sidebar so you're certain you're closing the correct Books account. If you manage multiple organizations under the same login, it's easy to click through the wrong one. Also, if you have teammates, note that their access will end when the account is closed. Any connected features like bank feeds or integrations will stop working as soon as the closure takes effect. After you confirm, you may receive a final confirmation message or email indicating that the account has been closed or scheduled for closure. Keep that for your records. And that's it. By going to bookzoho.com, clicking your profile icon, selecting My Account, opening Settings, and then choosing Close Account, you've completed the process.